Krishna Patro, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we will see how to install Java software. So, to install Java software, you have to install JDK in the system. Okay, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. This JDK is available under Sun Micro system. To install Java, you have to install JDK software on your system. This JDK is the main component of Java. So to install Java, you have to go to a particular link which is under the Oracle company. See this link. Of course, you can click on this link. Otherwise, if you do not want to type this link, you can go to Google Chrome. There you can type also. Download Java. But the best practice is go to this particular link, click it. Once you click on this link, then you will go to the directly the Oracle site from where you can download Java Standard Edition. Now, actually Java having various editions are there, but better prefer JDK 8 version or you can say 1.8 version. So, there you will find for a different operating system, different links are there. Because you may be running the Java in Windows, you may be running in the Linux, you may be running in the Solaris, you may be running in a Mac OS. There are different type of operating system. Or you may be running in the Solaris, or you may be running in Windows OS. And under Windows OS also there are different operating systems. Some are 64-bit, some are 32-bit. So better our current systems are under the 64-bit operating system. You click on this. Once you click, then you will be getting this window. In this window, there is a checkbox. Click on the checkbox. It says that I am receiving the proper software and I am agree with the terms and conditions also. So click on the checkbox. Then you are getting a button at the bottom. You see, download JDK 82202-Windows-x64.exe. This is the one you have to download. That means it indicates what? You are installing Java software for Windows operating system with 64-bit OS. Okay, so that means in your system, Windows should be installed in 64-bit system. Download. Click on the down button. Now the downloading starts. Now to install this, Oracle people, they are asking, it must be a proper valid user. For that, you must have an account first. If you do not have an account, you can take your friend's account and do it. Otherwise, if you want to create your own account, you click here. Click on the create account. Once you click on the create account, it will be asking all the details like email address, password, and retype password, country, name, job title, everything. So these things you have to type. Once you type, then you have to click on the create account. Let us create a account. Let me create one account. Patro @IARE.ac.in. This is my email address. That means for this email address, I did not create the account. Assume I will create my password. So I have typed my password, and same password again you have to retype. I have typed the password, and you have to select the country. Now I am from India. Select India only, and your name, first name and last name. Assume my first name is Krishna Rao and my last name is Patro. Just you give your own name. Then job title, I am a teacher. Professor. And work phone. Okay, I will give my phone number, and then your company name. I will give my college name as a company name. So IARE, and address I will give Hyderabad. Okay, then city also Hyderabad. So better give the proper one. State, you can select your belong to Telangana. Select the Telangana state. Of course, this is my state. You have to select your state. Don't select only always Telangana. And postal code 500, I think 43. This is the pin code. Then create the account. Click on this. Please see that there must be a green color. This green tick should come. Yeah. Now the ID is created. Now I'll go to my ID. Means the address. Means which one? I have given Patro at the rate IARE address in. This one I have to open. Give a valid password. Yeah, I got one email from the Oracle. Verify your email address. Dear Krishna, please accept your email address. Complete. Verify the email address. Alternately, you could use this below. Complete us. Now click here. Yeah. Now success. Your account is ready to use. Continue. Now we'll go to where you have installed. Come here. Now go to the 64-bit. Click here. Now click the checkbox.
Okay.
Yes. Now click on here. Download. Now give your ID. This is my ID. And password what you have given that time you will give. Sign in. Now you have to wait for some time. It is downloading. Once you click here, then it will be showing this particular software is available in your downloads folder. So you can click in this folder button. Yeah, now this software is available in your system under which folder? Under downloads folder. Now once you download, you can double click on this. Double click here. It is asking, do you want to go to next step? Then you click on the next button. Here, observe here, while installing Java, these are the items are installing the system. What are the items? Development tools, source code, and public JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. This is the main one. This JRE having two components. One is JVM, followed by extra additional tools for compiling and running. So those tools are available here. So those things will be now installed. Now where is installing? C: program files, Java, followed by JDK 1.8.0.202. If at all you want to change, you can change also. You can click and change and do. But don't change as you are beginners. So you can change, or if you are not interested, you can remove also. So that means what? By default, it will be installed in the C directory. C directory, program files, followed by Java, followed by JDK 1.8. Okay. Now click on the next button. Once you click next button, then the installation process starts. So you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So internally, all the setups are going on. Because Mr. James Gosling, he has written many files. Those files are available to your system. Actually, I told you the main component is JRE. JRE requires a lot of files. Those files are now currently available in your system. Now it is asking the corporate users will be impacted with the April 2019. Some information it has given. Then you say no problem. Please, okay. Now it is saying, please observe here. 3 billion devices run Java. Java is such important software which is used in almost all devices. Whatever the devices you are using. For example, your mobile or your even electronics gadget in your house, even your microwave oven or your AC, TV, fridge, everything is now under the control of Java. Because there will be all built-in chips. In that chip, there will be a sound software. That software is written using Java. So now installing Java is going on. Is now almost ending stage. Yes. Now you can say Java SC development kit update 202 successfully installed. SC means what? Standard edition. Actually Java having various edition. Enterprise edition Java EE you will get. Then one more is micro edition Java ME. But here we have installed Java SC. SC means standard edition. You can do core Java related programs. If you want to develop enterprise related, there you have to install Java EE. So here we are not installing Java EE, we are installing Java SC. Now downloading is over. Our Oracle account is already created and installation also over. These 3 steps you have to follow always. This is only one time, not every time. Once you install, that will be there lifelong. After installing, then you have to develop the software. You have to write the program. Before writing program, you have to do 2 things. One is path, another is class path. These 2 you have to set up in the system. Once you set these 2 variables are called environment variable. This environment variable you have to edit in the system. So in every Windows OS, there is a special board called environment board. In the environment board, there are 2 variables, path variable and class path variable. These 2 are the controlling the how to run your Java program. If these 2 are not set properly, you cannot call your Java compiler as well as Java interpreter. So to call interpreter as well as compiler, you have to set these 2 paths. So please remember, when you install Windows, always there will be a lot of exe files. Most of the exe files will be available under system32 folder. System32 folder. This system32 folder having exe file. Those exe files you have to set as a path. That means I can run that exe file from anywhere. That means I can run from C drive, I can run from D drive, or I can run from E drive also. So how to call from anywhere? By setting the path. If you are not setting the path, you cannot execute the exe file from anywhere in the system. So always set the path. So for Java, my exe file is available under this folder. C:\program files and Java JDK 1. This bin. Bin is the main folder. In this folder, your Java is available. Now I will show you in my system where it has installed. Now we'll go to that one. And before that, I'll tell you one more thing, also class path also, because the path and class path you have to set. They are called what variable? Environment variable. Environment means what? Environment means operating system. Operating system related variable. Okay. So you are running in Windows environment. That's why it's called environment variable. Now, let us go to the command prompt cmd. Type cmd. Now, go to situation. Type dir. What do you get? The list of folders available. cd. Program files under x36. dir. Always to know this one. And where my Java is installed, is it available here? No. So I'll go back. cd. Program files. Type dir. There, I think you have installed, there is a folder called Java folder. Please observe here, there is a folder called Java folder. So go to the Java folder, cd, Java, yes, type dir. Now, observe these 2 folders. These are the 2 important folders it has installed now. Which version? JDK 1.8 as well as JRE. JDK means what? Java Development Kit. In this kit, one of the important component is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. These 2 will be helpful to develop your software. Which software? Java software. Now, I'll go to JDK folder. Go there. There again type dir. Here, there is one important folder called bin folder. Bin means what? Binary executable folder. This bin folder always holds exe file. That exe file you have to use for compiling as well for debugging and for interpreting. Everything is available. Now go to bin. cd bin. Now type dir. star.exe. Always path requires what? .exe file. That's why I want to show the exe file here. Yeah, there are a lot of exe files. Please observe here. But out of all, our requirement is Java compiler and Java interpreter. These 2 are the important one for developing the Java software. Of course, other things are also available, but day by day you will be learning how to use these exe files. So my exe files are available under which folder? Bin folder. So this folder I have to set. Yeah. Now, how to set the path? Go to search button, type edit. Once you type edit, you will get this one. Edit the system environment variable. This is the one you have to click. Once you click, you are getting at this box, system property box. Here at the bottom, please observe here, there is something called environment variable. This environment variable will help you to set the path. Once you click here there is a path called variable called path, PATH. Is there path? Here it is not. So yes, under the user variable it is there. Yes. Here I will edit now. Already while installing the Java and other software, this path is already there. In addition to this, I want to install, means I want to link my Java software. So here I will edit. Now I'll set the path. So I'll create what? A new one. New. There I will set this is the one. C colon program files Java 1.bin. Control C, copy. This path is okay. Let me type notepad. Control V. Yeah, this is the one I have to set. Control C, copy. This one I will go to my environment variable. Go here, click here, because to the existing one I want to add. These two paths are already there. I want to add something else. One more new. Here I will do copy. This is the one gives the path of exe files related to Java program. What are the exe files? One exe file for compiler, one exe file for interpreter, and another for JDK and debugging, another for documentation, like this, another for Java disassembler. For every purpose, there is a exe file. Those exe files already constructed and already developed and kept by James Gosling. Those things we are setting up. Okay. So, which one? Your path is. I told you one more thing. There is something called class path. The class path is the one which holds all bytecode. This bytecode generally available in the library. This library path you have to do. So, these four things you can compile and put. Control C, copy. And one more is the dot followed by this one. So, these four things, Control C, copy. I will put in my notepad. Control V. These four one I will set it. Fine. Where I have to set? I have to set in my environment variable. Because under environment, two are there, path and class path. Go to the class path again. Here, create a new one. As class path is not there in the system, type CLASSPATH. It is not a case sensitive, you can write in a lowercase also. At the same time, control followed by this. I have to copy everything. This one I will copy. Control C. Control V. Yeah. At the last one, I will remove the semicolon. Oh, it is copying only one by one. So, Control C, semicolon, again semicolon, and one more is semicolon. Three path. These are the three actually important one. Okay. Yeah. So my class path is ready. Did you observe? So do not forget the first one. First one is what? Dot. Dot means current directory. So that one should be there. Follow this. Okay. Otherwise, there is also a simple way. Instead of writing one by one, you can put a star.jar also. But this is the right one. No problem. Okay. Okay. So now, setting path is over. Okay. Now let us check a small program. So to run the program, you need some editor. You have to type it. So for that, you require either Notepad++ or any editor which are available in your system. But better will prefer Notepad++ or normal Notepad also. So first of all, I have to decide where I have to store my program, Java program. Now you see, when I type Java, you should get this thing that says Java is installed in your system. Similarly, type Java. Yes. If you get this type of message, it says that your Java is installed properly. Now I will come out. How to come out? Type exit. Type exit. Now go to CMD. Now I will type Java. Yes. Anywhere, from anywhere you can write, because I kept in the environment variable. Those environment variables are used in throughout the drive. Means all C drive, D drive, F drive, everywhere you can run. Now I will create a folder. I will make a directory MD programs. This is my folder. Notepad. Now I'll type one hello program, HELLO, hello, followed by open bracket, close bracket. So every Java program should start with a keyword called class, followed by a name, hello. I am writing this program for testing whether Java is running properly or not. Now for checking, public static void main bracket string arguments array. This is a simple program I am running. Okay. And here I want to print a message system.out.println hello Java. Hello Java. Now you have to decide where you have to store. Now go to file, save as. I will be saving this program in, for example, in the CDC folder. In the CDC, I am writing hello.java. And here what is there? .txt file. In the notepad, if this .txt is there, then it will save as the file as again .txt. So to overcome this problem, put a double quote. Within double quote, you type hello.java. So that your file name will be hello.java. Then now save it. Please remember E:/CDC. And E drive lo CDC folder lo save in. Just it. So go to the program, go to E drive, go to CDC. Now type here hello.java. Hello.java. Now type hello.java. Yeah. Now Java is compiled successfully. Once you compile, then you will get two files. See, you have written on hello.java. After compiling, it has produced a class called hello.class. So that means successfully compiled. Then how to run? Java followed by hello. Yes, you got hello.java. So successfully installed Java. So this is the way install and check. So next program will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.